kublei pi baro ngip diang so bhai pi shakani ka thup khubor ka jong ni menta ka jan mit shwa ban poi shiki khubor babnya ngenya pet shwa mentai ki mat ba kong san PYNLONG JINGWAD BNIAH ka CBI haki HYNNIEW tali ki JAKA ha MUMBAI HALOR ki kam BAMSAP ka Yes Bank. Penting ka coronavirus ha Shillong hadian basha sumar uwe nongpang ha negrims HALOR ka jing shitom ban ring penhiar mensim kentu yaki brio ban kulmar jingmud. Kentu kibor penyat ka negrim si kibrio bakin penmelian yalade ban long ki balek khut khnang ban khang lat na ka jing sapriang ka COVID-19. Bat sya siat yap arngot ki lekno ha ka jingya siat ha Shopian district ka ba ha Jammu bat Kashmir. Ki khubor ki babnia ka Central Bureau of Investigation kala PYNLONG ka JINGWAD BNIAH haki HYNNIEW tali ki JAKA ki ba ha MUMBAI HYNNE ka SNGI HALOR ki kam BAMSAP ka Yes Bank ka balakot sya ka rius pa klur ha ka balakenno bala penbam pisa ki bahayeng bahasem jong urana kapur ha ka Day One Housing Finance Corporation Limited DHFL u Chief Information Officer jong ka CBI ulaong ba ka JINGWAD BNIAH kala ya menta haki HYNNIEW tali ki JAKA ki ba ha MUMBAI kenthop ya ka JAKA sa ba ka office urana kapur la kenno ba u kapur ula don kti ha ka de ka kam lembat ukapil wadhawan ubalong unong seng ka DHFL na kabenta ban ay jingarap pisa ya ka DHFL lingba ka Yes Bank bat bakan long ka jingmentoy na kabenta ki bahayang basem jong u lingba ka ne ka company. HALOR ka jing suba ya ka jing pang COVID-19 uwe unong pang uba na kanong ba ula sya sumar ha negrims HALOR ka jing shem jing ka jong u ban ring bat penhiar mensim namar kani ka jing pang coronavirus ya une unong pang labu hapo ka JAKA ka bakar pang isolation ward bat ya ka snam nomuna lara sya Kolkata na kabenta ban bishar bnia u director ka negrims u DM thapa ulaong bakibriyo kim day ban kulmar jingmut bat kibor penyat ka hospital kilalong bala penkre na kabenta ban yakhun persya ya kani ka jingpang coronavirus ulaong bakibriyo ki day ban yada shwa yalade da ka badeng ya ki jing yada shintur bat khmut bat ru ban dasat khut bhaya la ki kti lapan kan mau ba kiladan sa sawmot kibriyo kibayo ya kani ka novel corona hakaleng jongkari bat habak henlang kiladan saw phulai ngut.
See, it's very much a hype being created about the coronavirus infection. We cannot label any person suffering from a disease unless we confirm by test. So once we confirm, then only we will say that thing. This patient actually is moving around in Shillong for 3 days. As per my information, the symptoms of coronavirus infections are just like any flu. Okay, so all patients, they will come like a flu-like symptoms. Here, respiratory distress will be little more if patient has more these respiratory distress symptoms. Then they will come to the hospital.
Kibor penyat ka negrims kalakintu ya kibriyo ba kiday ban penmelian ha ka ban lekhut khnang ban khanglat ya ka jing sapriang ka jing pang coronavirus habya kren bat kinong tho khubor I Dr. VJ Nongpure Medicine Respiratory Department ulaong bawatla ka ne ka jing pang kala shim ya ka jing em jong kibriyo Henry kibabun kibalangat ha ka ne ka jing pang kiday ha China ulaong ru ba khandai pusan persen kibriyo na kibayo ya ka ne ka jing pang kiday kibala prapo snem shaneng ulaong ba kibayo ya ka ne ka jing pang kiduna hakibriyo kibadang biang kerta ulaong ru bakajing yada ya kashintur nekmut kam dadan kam than Henry kiday ban penlien yalade ba kiday ban long kibalek hut da kabasat ya kikti badru ban yada yalade da kijain rumal hakapor bakijirho bat senria
deaths within the mortality rate majority 95% of those are for those people above 80 years. Secondly, the second majority of around 12% for those people who are above 70 years. It is more important that they follow strict hygiene practices, hand hygiene, ensure that you wash your hands with soap and water, running water. Then have a good cough and social etiquette. When you cough, cover yourself, use a handkerchief. You don't really need a mask. Use a handkerchief. Disposable tissues which you can carry in your person. Once you've coughed, throw them, dispose them off in a proper bin, not that you throw it by the roadside.
Justice R.V. More negasngi ula BAMSAP kum NONGBISHAR jong Yeng Shari ka MEGHALAYA High Court. Justice Muhammad Rafiq, Chief Justice ula PYNLONG yakni ka JINGWAD SMAI nakabenta Justice R.V. More nakabenta PYNLONG kum NONGBISHAR jong ka MEGHALAYA High Court. MP ka Shillong Vincent Pala negasngi ula le jingo ya ka Nongpo Civil Hospital haribhoy haringkat baru MLA ka than iba Meryl Bonds ban khmi halor ki jing shakri bala ai da kani ka hospital Pala ula pentikna ba onyale shitom ban but din ya ki jingdan kam jong kani ka hospital kom ka blood bank ban yarap ban kintiw ya ka OPD ka badon arspa atali ki jing thia Pala ula kintu yaw MLA kani ka than ban let ya baro ki jingdon kam jong kani ka hospital syaka sarkar pedeng bat ka sarkar jilla hakaba unsa but din halor kani ula ongru ba unyale kadbala ban kintiw ya ka hospital syaka medical college nakabenta ka jingmentoy jong ki ba ka Ribhoy district
kung ka civil hospital ki ki badan kam ki requirement but ki jingduna then sa ay ka proposal naga liang jong ki civil hospital nang ni kin sa ay state kin sa pa segali ngapat ngan sa bodin lang ba jong MLA ki ba ki process na po state sa dali example la ki duna kum ka blood bank la ni ka operation room la ni gino ki bantay ki ba duna ka kum dari kan jong hospital mila kumpiang ni batang
Hajamu bat Kashmir arngut ki lekno ki lasha siat yap haka jingat her kuli haka shnong reban kabadon haka thain zone para ha Shopian district ne ka step katkun ki khubor na ki pulit layat ho bakane ka jinga siat kala jia haba ki sipai pahra kila yo khubor halor ka jingdon jong ki lekno hakine ki thain ki sipai pahra hadien ka jingsha ther kuli haki lekno kila penpai kala bat kila yo ban siat yap yakine ki lekno kini ki lekno ki basha siat ki dei ki banaka shnong kabadon Kulgam district la kiarkot yakani ga JAKA bat ki pulit bat ki sipai paramilitary kilas danglang yaka jingkhanra khnang ban yo kem yaki lekno ki badang sa yaka legal literacy awareness program halor ka POCSO Act 2000 khat khandai ka bashisngi nakabenta ki khna pule jong ka kyang nangba government college JOWAI la PYNLONG haka college auditorium hene ka sngi yakane ka program la PYNLONG daka internal complaint redressal committee jong ka kyang nongba government college ringkat bat ka Meghalaya State Legal Service Authority Shillong bat ka NONGBISHAR jong ka Ministry of Law and Justice habakren hagani ka sngi iba Albert S Lingdo i project coordinator jong ka legal literacy campaign ilaong baka jingmot jong kani ka campaign kalong ban pinsngaw tho ikikhanna pule halor ka POCSO Act ahja khat khandai hakaba ila pentip baya ka POCSO Act la pentre kam ban yadai ki khanna na ki jingsha thombor la sami ki kot linkdop ya baro ki nongwan shimanta ki nongdon benta ka tanat pulit kan thai ka JOWAI i sub inspector N Pegi Marak ila ai ka jingbatay belingkot shaphang jong kani ka an ha kani ka program
what we call is that the Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority. This work under the supervision of the High Court. This office helps people to give their right. We have what we call a free lawyer. If a victim is brought or if a victim is come to the notice of the police shall call this office, Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority, which they have free lawyer which you don't have to pay, which we call him a legal aid counsel. Okay?
Nginyakmi panmenta ya ka jinglong jingman ka sinbeneng ka jingshit jingkret ka sinbeneng ha Shillong kalong khat pra 0.3 degree Celsius sa kapor min step bat 0.3 degree Celsius sa kapor janmit ka jing sngem ka haw kalong saupo na ka shispa ka kapor min step bat prapun rew na ka shispa ha kapor janmit ka sinbeneng kan dumlo ha Shillong bat haki JAKA bamarjan hashwa ban poy sya ka bakut nginyakmi biang mentai kimat bakongsan PYNLONG JINGWAD BNIAH ka CBI haki HYNNIEW TYLLI ki JAKA ha Mumbai halor kikan BAMSAP ka Yes Bank. Penting ka coronavirus sa Shillong hadian masya sumal uwi umnong pang hanigrims halor gajing shitom ban ring penhiar mensiam kentu yaki beliau ban om kulmar jingmud. Kentu kibor penyat kanigrim si kibrio bakin penmelian yaladi banlong kibalik kuat kenang ban kanglat na gajing sapriang ka COVID-19. But syak siat yap armut kilekno ha gajing siat ha Shopian district ke Bahar Jammu bat Kashmir. Ti parlok kat tu ngila poi syuka pakut jong kan dikatup kubor jingi mentaka janmiat haduk bagi dia syam yang bat pi la syai ha gajuk kapor keblai pi baro.